Hello, kindergarten. So today I want you to go and find some Play-Doh for math. We're going to talk about these three-dimensional shapes just for one more week, just so we can make sure that they are locked away in your brain. So go find that Play-Doh and then come on back when you're ready. Kindergarten, did you also practice your numbers and your shapes, two-dimensional and three-dimensional? If you did those flashcards, great, you are ready to hang out with me. So kindergarten, today I am going to show you a shape and I'm going to ask you to make a shape that can either stack on top or stack underneath it. Are you ready? Here we go. I'm going to show you this shape today. What is this? This is a cube. A cube has faces, edges, and vertices. Kindergarten, can you please make a shape with your Play-Doh that could stack on top of this one? I'll see you when you're all done. Did you make a shape that can stack on top of this cube? What did you make? I made a cone. All right, kindergarten, take your shape and squish it. I'm going to say goodbye to this cube for now, and I'm going to show you this shape right here. This is a cylinder. A cylinder has three faces, 1, 2, and this round one right here, 3. It has 2 round edges, and it has no vertices. No vertices on a cylinder, but a cylinder can roll, and it can slide, and it can stack. Our cube can slide and it can stack. So kindergarten, today I want you to make a shape that can stack underneath the cylinder. I want you to make a shape with your Play-Doh that can stack underneath our cylinder. I'll see you when you're done. Did you make a shape that can stack underneath the cylinder? What did you make? I made a cube. Can you see my cube down there? I'll hold it up so you can see it. There's my cube, and it can stack underneath my cylinder. Kindergarten, you could have also made another cylinder. You can stack a cylinder on top of a cylinder. I just happen to only have one right here. You could make a cylinder or you could make a cube. Could you have made a cone? You couldn't have made a cone for this one because a cone can only stack on top. It can't stack underneath. So kindergarten, what we're going to do now, you can take your Play-Doh and squish it for just a second and then put it off to the side. I want you to go and find all of these shapes. Do you still have all of these shapes from last week from around your house? If not, that's okay. You can take your Play-Doh and you can make your own little shapes. All you have to do is just pull it apart into small little blobs and then make your 4 shapes. 1 for each. And then when you have all of the shapes that you need, come on back and I'll show you what we're going to do next. So today we're just talking about stacking. So I want you to look at the shapes you have and I want you to see how you can stack these shapes to make a new building. So last week we read a story for reading called Building with Dad, and they built a school. So I want you to take these shapes and see what you can build with them. And then what you can do, you can ask your grown-up to take a picture of them, and your grown-up can send them to me so that I can check them out. So let's see what I can build with these shapes. First, I have to find the shapes that I can build with. Can I build with this one? Can I stack with a sphere? I can't stack with a sphere because it's all round. That wouldn't really work. So I'm going to put that one off on the side. I'll put it in its little holder. Kindergarten, now I have these shapes, and all of these 3 shapes have a flat face. They also have a round face, like on my cone, and a round face like on my cylinder. The cube only has flat faces all around, so this would be really good to stack with. So kindergarten, which one of these shapes do you think I should put on the bottom? Which one might be best on the bottom? I think I'm going to put the cube on the bottom first because it has all flat shapes, all flat faces all the way around. So I'm going to put that one on the bottom. What if I put my cone here next? Well, I still want to stack with this guy, so that's not going to work, is it? Okay, what could I put next? probably my cylinder. My cylinder would go next. It has two flat faces, so I'm going to put it down like this using its flat face. And then, of course, I'm going to take my cone, and I'm going to, no, not like that. No, probably not like that either. I'm going to put it right on top. And now, kindergarten, it looks like I built a tower or a castle. So like I said, I want you guys to see what you can build with your shapes. Maybe at your house, you have a whole bunch of different blocks that are different three-dimensional shapes, like the ones that have rectangles on them or the ones that have all triangles. I want you to use those or make them out of Play-Doh. You could make 2 cylinders, 2 cubes, 3 cones, however many you need. And I want you to practice stacking to see how you can build something. And then you can ask your grown-up to take a picture and send me your cool creation. So today I want you to go and practice stacking your shapes to make a cool creation. I can't wait to see them, and I'll see you guys later. Silly Miss Stahler. Look at what I have. I need to give you guys a warm fuzzy because you have been doing a great job so far today. Keep up the good work. Now I will see you later.